So hello guys, welcome to spreadsheet training. Now in the last series of videos we actually looked at the Microsoft Word, and we looked at the basic features. We looked at carrying out basic functions in Microsoft Word. We looked at three major ribbons in Microsoft Word. We looked at the home ribbon, the layout ribbon, and we also looked at the insert ribbon. We carried out some basic functions in a sheet, and we were able to understand some basic things that should set students along the line in Microsoft Word. So now in this section of the course, we are going to be looking at Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet tool that allows you carry out numerical operations So in this series of videos, we are going to be teaching you how to carry out these functions. So let's get to